Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I've been shopping again, and this time I again went to Walmart because I was running out of certain supplies. Now while I was there, I was really shocked at how much the prices of things have gone up, but I just sort of closed my eyes and picked out what I needed. Okay, let me show you what I bought. I just love this print. It's got butterflies on it. There's also a little bit of metallic silver here and there on the print. So it looks a little shiny in some areas. And I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of it. I don't have a lot of large pieces of fabric anymore. So when I go to do videos that require a lot of fabric, I don't want to have a lot of pieces. So I wanted to stock up. So I bought this little companion fabric here because it matched the turquoise in there so well. I bought rubber bands, and you're probably wondering, what has that got to do with sewing? Well, I used to, when I would wrap my fabric around cardboard because it was easier to store on the shelves, I used these little clips to hold the end, and it was great. But often the clips would fall off, and so I was getting frustrated. So I decided to use rubber bands to hold the fabric, and it works out so much better. I use a solar calculator all the time when I'm sewing. It helps me calculate measurements for all of my different tutorials. But my solar calculator, which I've had for probably 20 years, finally just died on me. So I purchased another one, and these are very reasonably priced. So if you're really into sewing, this is very helpful when you want to calculate the amount of fabric you needed. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I do a lot of decorative towel tutorials. And I like to use white because it allows me to do so many different things on them. But to get white towels now is very difficult, and when you do find them, they're very expensive. So I've decided to buy these little bar towels. These were at Walmart. It was a lot cheaper, and I know that I can do some really neat things with these little bar towels. I go through a lot of fusible interfacing, and I have different thicknesses of it, from very heavy to featherweight. And I had run out of the featherweight, and this is a fusible featherweight, and it's by Pellon, and you can get this at Walmart. You can also buy it at Joann Fabrics and Crafts, but it's so convenient for me to just run over at Walmart, and I was really lucky they had some. In fact, I bought what was left on the bolt, which wasn't a whole lot. I use a lot of decorative fringe, and they have all types at Walmart, and it's very reasonably priced. And this is by Simplicity, and you can find this in the craft section where they have all the ribbons and other trims. And these are little tassels that are on there, and then this is just some narrow lace trim, and here is some more little tassel fringe. I use a lot of Post-its in my tutorials, and I also use it on pieces of fabric when I need to remember things that I want to do. I'll put a little Post-it note on it. And this is just an off-brand that I guess is just sold through Walmart. But the Post-it brand was outrageous in the price. The prices had really gone up on these little paper projects, but I really needed these. Again, I just closed my eyes and put it in my shopping cart. I had run out of 18-inch pillow forms, and this is something sold at Walmart, of course, and it's made by Fairfield. And these are also pretty reasonably priced. Now, Walmart has pillow forms that are 16 and 18-inch. Sometimes I see a 20-inch, and sometimes will see a rectangular shape. But the 16 and the 18-inch seems to be the most popular pillow forms that they carry there. I've been gathering up items over the last month to use in a tutorial in which I'll do decorative headbands and scrunchies and things like that. And so I only needed just a few of these, and so I bought these little headbands there, and they're where they sell all of the hair accessories. Now, a while back in one of my Joann shopping hauls, I showed you some fabric, this green fabric, and I said I was going to make some pillows for our sofa. And so here's what I made. This one says, "My spot." I used my embroidery machine. Now, if you watch Big Bang Theory, you know that Sheldon always says, "My spot." Well, my husband has a spot on the sofa, and I made this as sort of a little joke for him. Here's another one that I really like. It says, "Home, Sweet Home." And then this one my husband really needs. It's called "Relax," because he has a hard time doing that. If you want to learn how to make decorative pillows or use your embroidery machine, you want to check below your YouTube screen for those video links. You just scroll down to the description section, expand it open by hitting on Show More or the down arrow, then scroll down a little more and you will see links. You'll also see links to other beginners sewing projects. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.